Now on, I will try my bananas.
Hi, we are Sarah and Igor, two full-time travelers currently exploring Southeast Asia.
Pancakes for me.
Vientiane, we went in search of delicious Lao cuisine.
Hello beautiful people and welcome from Vientiane. Vientiane is the capital city of Laos and today's vlog is all about the food. We are starting it at the morning market, so we're gonna grab something to eat and to explain to you what the Lao people like to eat for breakfast. Most of the time it's some kind of soup with noodles and also with some green lettuce, but they also love eggs, and there's also a little bit of French influence in their cuisine. So far it doesn't look really big. You've got some fruits, you've got some spices, you even can buy some books, but let's head this way, maybe we're gonna find something more. We think we found it, hopefully. Looks like on the pictures, but if we'll find something to eat, let's check it out. Oh yeah, this is what we were looking for. Oh, they got some coffee. What is this?
In Laos.
What's inside? You don't know? Is it with meat? With chicken?
Not chicken.
No chicken? No pork? Vegetarian? No animal? Animal? Okay. The biggest problem for us in Asia is to find something without the meat, because they love to eat this kind of soup, which looks really delicious with noodles and salad, but inside of it it's also meat, so we cannot eat it that way. And we are trying to find something different, but also the English, it's really limited, so yeah, let's hope for the best. Maybe we'll find something. If not, we're just gonna buy a coffee. Let's try one first. If it's gonna be good, then we can get one. After you get one. Get one, please. Honey? Honey. Bye. 5,000. Come try. Still a little bit warm. Let's try it. I don't know how to eat it.
I don't even know what it is.
How? 5,000 for free. Okay. Okay, we also got banana.
Two hot cappuccino. Oh, you need to ignite them. It's so strange to have you our wallet.
You're sick.
Kind of. We have a really nice breakfast combination. We have a cappuccino with a rice ball and with some fried bananas. So
Oh, this is so
nothing
strange
fits
inside.
together.
This is really funny inside. See it?
Oh, that's good. Like it?
This is so good. This is like a rice, I believe, and on top of it it's sesame, and you can really taste the sesame, but it's really nice.
What's this inside? No idea.
No idea, but it's good.
Tastes like a pretzel. A little bit sweet. No idea how it's called. But you can see this big ball, I guess filled with rice and with some sesame on top of it. Like, you will like it.
I was saying for banana. Oh, it's so warm. This is also really good. You know how it tastes a little bit like, you remember in Vietnam, the clothing market? The lady came to us and she gave us like a banana rice cake. Tastes a little bit like the inside of it. Nice.
This should be just a simple banana, just fried, right? Now on, I will try my bananas.
Crispy outside, but really soft inside.
Like me.
Tell the jokes.
When we came here to this morning market, we were expecting like hundreds of food stalls, because we know it from other places we visited in Southeast Asia, but here it's a little bit different. There are just a few of them, and also the options are not that
big as they were in some other places. It is still nice. We had still some good food, but it's definitely not one of those markets which we would say you have to visit it. You have such a variety of food, but there are some other night markets which we're also gonna visit today, and there we will definitely have some more food options. I have to be silent because there's a ceremony taking place here in the temple, but what's really interesting, next to the main building you have like a hall filled with, I would say, thousands of Buddhas. You have maybe 100 big Buddhas and so many little ones. And what's interesting about the big ones is they are keeping their hand like open, and almost all of them have some coins or even paper money holding as a donation.
Some facts about Wat Si Saket. It was built in 1880, was restored by French colonial government in 1924 and then again in 1930, and it has more than 2,000 Buddha statues in here. It is temple but also a museum. There's this main road where you are also passing the presidential palace, which is quite nice. You've got a lot of coffee shops in here, so all the tourists are located here. And if you want to find it, just Google Hard Rock Cafe in Google Maps. There's really nice vegan coffee here also. So we got our cake and coffee, and I need to say, cake is really delicious. This is such a beautiful building. It is a boutique hotel. It looks really nice from outside with this oriental style, but a lot of French influence also, and it reminds me a lot of New Orleans. Not only because of the balconies, but also because of the plants hanging here. We've seen them also in New Orleans.
Sarah is treating herself really good today. I was thinking also, let's have a massage for myself to relax a little bit. And also here the massages are different. I mean, the approach to massages is different that we know from Thailand, for example, because in Thailand everyone is like shouting, hey, massage, 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 but here everyone is really calm and peaceful. You have to even realize, oh, here is another massage studio, but we found one. It looks pretty decent, and I think I'm gonna treat myself really well now.
1 hour later.
It's important when you treat yourself that you don't treat yourself only from the outside, like from massage, but also from the inside, for pancake. So we ordered like a lemon blueberry pancake. It looks really good.
And this is the thing you definitely need to try in Laos, right?
Yeah, some authentic Lao food. Honestly, when I saw that, I had to order it. Happy. Wow.
It's really that good.
It's really good. I really miss pancakes. A flower for you.
Oh, just a flower for me.
Pancake is for me.
Definitely enough food to choose from, because like every stall it's something to eat. Most of the time it's seafood, but everything looks really yummy. Should I get sushi?
This night market is pretty much comparable to many other night markets we saw in Southeast Asia. So there's a whole street full with food stalls, and they had so many food options, but unfortunately we didn't find anything which is not meat. There's also another area where you can buy like clothes, accessories and other stuff. And there is also an area like a playground for children, so they can play there and wait till their parents fill their stomachs. I think we found the food corner.
I have one like this and 30 is 100, right? This is probably tradition when we are eating street food. We are eating noodles with vegetables. This time it's not different. They're really tasty, a little bit spicy, but I like that. And I like that it's got a lot of green inside.
We found some vegetarian option. It's supposed to be vegetarian at least. We even asked this vendor if it is vegetarian. She said, yeah, it's only egg. We found some pieces of something which we can't really identify, but let's hope it's just egg. Pretty good.
And one banana. Do we have sweet milk? Oh, sweet milk. Yes. Okay. So one banana and sweet milk. We are ending our day with something we like the most. Oh, don't lose it. It's different served, but it is roti inside, or how they call it here, paratha. But we also got the one with sweet milk and banana. And with this, we also like to finish this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we're gonna see you in next one. Bye!